Welcome back, guys. Today I want to show you 10 basic tips and tricks to use on Premiere Pro. Now before we jump into this video, I do want to show you my 2015 MacBook Pro. With that, let's jump to the B-roll. Number 1, customize your keyboard shortcuts. If you're just like myself, if you're on the go trying to travel as much as possible and you're trying to be very lightweight or trying to be very efficient as well, customizing your keyboard shortcuts is the fastest way for you to start editing your videos. Tip number 2, create folders before you begin editing. Now I can't tell you how many times I've traveled and editing has become such a nightmare. When you have 1 week's worth of videos or possibly a whole month's worth of videos and you get that big chunk of files of gigabytes of memory into your laptop and then you just jump that into your program software, it takes a lot of time, especially when you don't know what you're looking for. So it's best for you to organize where your photos or videos are going to on specific folders, so when you drop it down into your editing software, it's a quick, swift of an edit. Tip number 3, INOs. Instead of dragging your videos to your timeline, it's better for you to click I where you want to start editing and O to where you want the edit to end. Now when you drag that whole clip down, it takes to a specific part of the video, whichever you want, to be placed into the timeline. Tip number 4, time remapping. Once you place a video you like and you want to slow motion it or fast speed it, right click on the video, click time remapping, speed. Now choose a part of the video you would like to speed up or slow down and add a keyframe. If you follow tip number 1, you can customize your keyboard to place a video keyframe, and then you can lower the video frame rate down or up. This either slows it down or makes it faster. Tip number 5, Command+S. Remember to constantly save your project. There may be times when Premiere may be overwhelmed in which the system crashes. Manually saving your project can save hours of hard work. Tip number 6, force stop. If your Premiere Pro ever freezes on you like this, it's super frustrating. You're able to manually save by clicking Command+S and then force close the program. Simply go to the top right of the screen where the Apple button is and click force stop, Premiere Pro. Now do this with your own caution as you may possibly lose your videos. Tip number 7, Opacity Shortcuts. It's the same process as time remapping, but instead you're able to use this for opacity as well. Tip number 8, master color grading videos. Now it can be very tedious to color grade the same video multiple times, especially if you cut one video to multiples. Instead of individually color grading the same video, you're able to click master and then color grade the original. This allows you to have consistency in your color grades. Tip number 9, pulling out individual audios. Instead of pulling a raw clip down and deleting the video to keep the audio, just go to your sample video and click the audio tab and drag it down to the timeline. Tip number 10, export your videos in 1080p or whatever resolution you like. Now when exporting, make sure you click full sequence to get your whole video down. You don't want to export just a 15-second clip now. Also, switch your preset to the destined preset you like. For me, it's usually 1080 YouTube. Now if you have 4K, go for it as well. And there you have it, guys. That's my 10 basic tips and tricks to use for Premiere Pro. Now this is great for beginners. If you're intermediate or advanced, I hope this helps you out as well. Once again, my name is Valentino. This is Olega Travels, and I'll see you guys next time.